Hey everyone! Welcome to the second episode of our Zagreb series. In the last video, we explored two beautiful churches and a stunning mosque in Zagreb. Today, we're diving into more of the city's treasures. We'll be checking out the National Theatre, the Croatian National State Archives, the Croatian Association of Fine Artists, the Art Pavilion, and some of the city's remarkable monuments. Let's get started. First up is the Croatian National Theatre in Zagreb. This grand, historic cultural institution is famous for its breathtaking neo-baroque architecture. Opened in 1895, the theatre's facade is adorned with intricate sculptures and elegant columns, making it one of Zagreb's architectural gems. The building is topped with a striking green dome and flanked by two smaller domes, adding to its majestic presence. Inside, the lavishly decorated auditorium, with its red velvet seats, gilded balconies, and ornate frescoes, creates an opulent setting for opera, ballet, and drama performances. Located in the heart of Zagreb, the National Theatre is not just a cultural hub, but also a symbol of the city's rich artistic tradition and its enduring commitment to the performing arts. Inaugurated in 1895 by Emperor Franz Joseph Bremen, the Croatian National Theatre has played a crucial role in shaping the country's cultural life. It has hosted countless operas, ballets, and dramas, becoming a cornerstone of Croatia's artistic heritage. The theatre's neo-baroque design, with its grand exterior and opulent interior, reflects the elegance of 19th century European theatre architecture. It stands today as both a cultural landmark and a testament to Zagreb's dedication to the arts. Next, we visit the Croatian Association of Fine Artists, housed in the iconic Meštrović Pavilion. Designed by the famous sculptor Ivan Meštrović and completed in 1938, this circular building is a striking example of modernist architecture, with clean lines and a prominent central dome. The Meštrović Pavilion serves as a vibrant center for contemporary art, hosting numerous exhibitions, events, and workshops that showcase the talents of both established and emerging artists. Located in the heart of Zagreb, it's a cultural hub where art lovers can engage with the city's dynamic and diverse visual arts scene. Now let's explore the Art Pavilion in Zagreb, a distinguished cultural landmark and the oldest exhibition hall of its kind in Southeast Europe. Opened in 1898, the pavilion is an architectural gem, blending Art Nouveau and historicist styles beautifully. Its striking yellow facade, crowned with a glass dome, stands out amidst the greenery of King Tomislav Square. Inside, the spacious, light-filled galleries have hosted numerous prestigious art exhibitions, showcasing works from both Croatian and international artists. The Art Pavilion remains a key venue for visual arts in Zagreb, contributing to the city's rich artistic heritage and offering a serene space where art and architecture come together. As we wander through the old town centre of Zagreb, we'll come across various monuments that tell the story of the city's rich history and cultural heritage. One of the most important is the statue of Ban Josip Jelačić in the central square, a powerful symbol of Croatian national identity. Nearby, the stone gate houses a revered shrine dedicated to the Virgin Mary, cherished by locals for its miraculous reputation. Monuments like the statue of St. George slaying the dragon, and the sculpture of poet Andrija Kesić-Miosić adds to the historical charm of the area, making the old. And that wraps up our Zagreb tour. Next time, we'll take you to other fascinating cities in Croatia. Until then, take care and good luck.